Hi everyone, and welcome to my new video. In this video we're gonna be changing the roller blind here. It is W204 chassis, C-Class from 2008, and I believe that it is a pretty common problem because this roller blind, it's kind of fragile, and I think when it's hot outside it gets broken, and so we're gonna try to fix it now. I bought a new one from AliExpress, so let's see what I got. Here it is. It seems okay. It's an aftermarket, but I think that it'll work. So let's see how we can change it. So the first thing that we've got to do is to get rid of this thing here, and we have a Torx screw. So let's unscrew it, and I'm gonna be able to pull this plastic out. It's a T20 Torx screw, Torx socket, and let's unscrew it. So we can get rid of the plastic now, just gently, so we don't break something. Here it is. So it is easier to start from the sides and get rid of it.
A few moments later.
Here is the roller, so we've got to get rid of the old roller. Let's put the new one. Yeah. It's okay. Let's clean this part here.
2,000 years later.
So I'm gonna put the plastic like it used to be. Make sure that it pops on the spots where it needs, and I'm gonna put the screw back. not too tight. So let's test it. Yep, it works. So I hope it was helpful for you. If you have this C-Class, I believe it is part of an A-Class or S-Class of these years and produced in these years. So thank you for watching, and if you liked these types of videos where I'm trying to fix something on my car or making something with electronics, programming microcontrollers and things like that, please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. So thank you and bye bye.